So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So we know that today the stock has performed very well and we can see it has approached the 74 rupees level with almost 10% positive movement. So previously when you have done the complete analysis near the 63 rupees region, we have seen what are the major updates running around, and also we have done the technical analysis, and also the company has given the clarification regarding the volumes that it was generating on regular basis, and clearly I told that that is not a major concern, and currently you can see it is trying to approach the 75 rupees region. So what would be the next immediate targets that we need to watch out? So clearly we'll discuss that, and the same way we'll also see the deliverables, how they are being taken on regular basis, so we'll get the complete clarity. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram, apart from discussing all the latest updates, so I keep discussing about stocks for short term so that you can also buy them. So recently whatever we have discussed about Happiest Minds, we know today also it has given some very good momentum. So make sure you join the Telegram. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards the day-to-day wise deliveries in HFCL. So once you see the delivery pattern itself, so you'll get a clear idea that little bit of accumulation was present. So that's why after consolidating for 2 days, you can see today it has given a very good movement of 10%. So how to confirm that? So when you see the deliverables and if you compare the traded quantity, so you can see the last 2 sessions, you can see the deliveries have increased around 51.3%, and earlier also on regular basis the deliveries were constant. So even the stock movement also, if you see the last 2 sessions, we have seen only 0.4 to 0.8% positive moment, and the same way yesterday it has given slightly correction and it was trying to hold the 65 rupees level. Okay, so now let's go to technical charts and we'll see what are the major supports and resistances that we need to focus in the coming sessions. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of HFCL. So once we see the 1 week chart, so clearly you can see earlier also when it has approached that particular region, we have seen a little bit of profit booking. So that clearly we can understand. So now this particular stock, basically when we discuss, it gives a very sort of good breakouts on regular basis. So whenever it gives a breakout, we see some good accumulation followed by consolidation in the stock as well. So it gives a chance to buy and average at whatever the levels it is taking the support. So same way as we can see here, after approaching the 74 earlier, we have seen little bit of profit booking. So again it is trying to approach the same region with some good volume. So if it breaks that particular region of whatever 74 or 75, then definitely it will try to approach towards the 80 rupees region. So this is going to be some very crucial movement that we need to watch today. So currently time is around 241. So before the closing, if it crosses that particular level with good volume, so definitely 80 can be seen. So again, if it tries to retrace, so that particular region, especially 70 rupees level, becomes very, very important. So make sure you're watching these levels, especially for short term. And if we go a little bit down and if you see the money flow index, so that has approached the 95 region, so that is completely in overbought region. So already this particular stock is known for traveling in that particular overbought region because of the demand. So already we know whatever the business it is involved has some little future. So on that particular note itself, so little operator game followed by a spike in volumes is also present. So already I told for swing, it is very good stock. For long term, you need to hold it patiently so that you can get some very good returns. So let's go to 1 day chart. So there also we'll try to confirm the levels. Okay, so when we see the 1 day chart, so clearly you can see this is called a perfect breakout. So if you see whatever the consolidation it has completed over a certain period of time, so not more than 5 to 6 days. So after the completion today, you can see it has given that great breakout. So that is a good identification. So that we discussed in our secondary channel, Stocks Diary Education. So clearly I told different types of breakouts that we need to observe. So if you have not watched those videos, so do watch it so that you will also have some clarity regarding to breakout breakout patterns. Okay, so once we see the chart pattern, so you can see the 74 and 75 as I told, so that is going to be the near term resistance. So once it starts crossing, as I told, 80 can be seen in it. So try to take a trade only after we have seen some very good consolidation, so that you will also have the complete clarity. So once we go down to money flow index, you can see that is near 82 region. So still it may go further up in today's session also, or in the coming sessions also we may see the momentum. So long term people who are holding this particular stock since low levels, so especially when we discussed from 30-35 rupees region, so there people have entered, so still they can keep holding this particular stock till it approaches the 80-85 rupees region. So this is for short term, and long term completely depends on the stock, but it is advisable to hold it. So nothing much to worry about it, and whatever the levels we have discussed, so make sure you're watching them very well. So whenever any stock, especially these type of stocks, so try to catch these stocks only when consolidation completes, so that you can have a perfect trade. So until then, if you're having any further doubts, you can ask in the comment section, followed by you can connect with me in Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.